In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the size of a Looker Studio report page. If you've ever run out of room for charts, tables, or filters, adjusting the canvas size gives you more space to design clearly and avoid clutter. Start by opening your browser and going to lookerstudio.google.com. Once you're in, you can work with an existing report or start fresh. If you're creating something new, choose a blank report for full control, or pick a template if you want a foundation to build on. Either option works for what we're about to do. With your report open in edit mode, look toward the top menu bar and click on Page. This menu controls settings for the page you're currently editing. From there, choose Current Page Settings. This will open the Properties panel on the right side of your screen, where you can change how this specific page looks and behaves. In that right-hand panel, switch to the Style tab. You'll often see two tabs, Data and Style, and the Style tab is where the visual layout options live. Here's where you'll find the controls that affect the page's overall size and layout. Locate the canvas size section. This is the key. You can choose from options like a responsive canvas that adapts to the screen or a fixed size that you define. If you're building a dashboard for wide monitors and want everything on a single view, a larger fixed canvas often makes sense. If you need the report to adapt to different screens, a responsive option like fitting to width can help. Pick the approach that suits your audience and how the report will be viewed. If you select a fixed canvas, you'll see fields for width and height. Increase these values to give yourself more space. Width and height are in pixels, so you might try widths like 1366, 1600, or 1920 for standard displays, and increase the height if you prefer a longer scrollable canvas. As you adjust, keep an eye on how your existing components fit. You can rearrange or expand charts to take advantage of the added space. A few quick tips as you refine the size: avoid making the width so large that viewers get a horizontal scroll bar. Design with the most common viewer devices in mind, and consider using consistent increments like multiples of 8 or 16 pixels for neat alignment. Remember, these changes apply to the current page, so you can size different pages differently if needed. And that's it. By adjusting the canvas size and the width and height, you've created more room for a cleaner, more readable Looker Studio report.